Welcome to StickShiftStudios. Today I'll be showing you how to do an oil change on a 2004 Honda S2000. I will go over the tools that you need and some tips and tricks to make things easier. So the first thing obviously that you'll need is new oil. I'm using Mobil 1 synthetic and this is 10 weight 30. The next thing that you will need is an oil catch can, and this will be used to catch the old oil draining from the drain plug. I'm also using a piece of cardboard under it just in case there's any spills. And I'll be using a ratchet that is 17 millimeters to get the drain plug free. The first step is to either raise your car on jack stands, or in my case I am using custom wood block risers. The next step is we need to drain the old oil out of the vehicle. Slide the catch can under your vehicle. Make sure that the breather plug is open. The next step is to pop the hood. So I decided to use the 17 millimeter wrench instead, and you can get really good leverage on the bolt when you pull this towards you. It's already loosened, so I'm going to now position the catch can. Remember to open the yellow breather plug. If you do not open this, the oil will not drain into the catch can, and then you could have oil overflowing onto your garage floor. So put a little bit of fresh oil on the washer. So clean the excess drips off of the drain plug. Screw in the drain plug and then tighten with the 17 millimeter wrench. Add a little more force. The next step is to put on a new oil filter and pull it forward to get it loose and replace it with a new filter. So here's the wrench. It's nothing pretty, but yeah, here's the wrench for taking the oil filter off the engine. Honda S2000 takes about 5.1 quarts. So now I'm going to be putting in the fresh oil. Remove the engine oil cap. A nice handy funnel. Definitely needed for adding new oil into an engine. Pour it in very slowly. So the next step is to check the oil level with the dipstick. So it will take the dipstick out, wipe off excess oil, put the dipstick back in to get an accurate reading, pull it back out. So now we're going to add a little bit more oil, and for this step make sure that the car is on level ground so you get an accurate reading with the dipstick. Now I will check the oil level once again. It's almost to full, I would say. So that looks pretty good. Screw your oil cap back on. One last top tip. Please remember to dispose of your old oil using good practices. Your local auto parts store has free recycling of old automotive oil, so please take your oil to your local parts store. Thank you for watching StickShiftStudios and my how-to oil change video on a Honda S2000. Please like and subscribe to my channel, StickShiftStudios. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.